Did you know one dictator kept severed heads in his freezer like trophies? Idi Amin ruled Uganda for 8 years and turned the country into a living nightmare. This wasn't just another bad leader. Amin personally watched prisoners beat each other to death with sledgehammers while he laughed. He claimed eating human flesh gave him power over his enemies. At his compound by the Nile River, Amin would throw living prisoners to hungry crocodiles during fancy dinner parties with foreign guests. He forced entire families to watch their loved ones get tortured before killing them in public shows meant to scare everyone. Amin kicked out all the Asian people living in Uganda and gave their businesses to his friends. He also murdered educated Ugandans so they couldn't fight back against him. His torture methods were so creative and brutal that they made Nazi techniques look tame. By the time his reign ended in 1979, an estimated 500,000 people had died. Sometimes the most terrifying monsters in history are completely human.